If you're considering investing in a new camera for your YouTube channel, you may already have what you need. This is Professor Klaus, and let's talk about gear for somebody who wants to record video for a new or an established channel. Gone are the days where you have to buy an expensive camera to make a movie. The cameras attached to your phone can rival those used in some of history's greatest films. Smartphone cameras adjust to lighting, and you can easily switch lenses in just moments. A great camera is fantastic, but if you're just starting out, the one that's in your pocket is probably going to suit you just fine. When I shoot content for my channel, I usually use my iPhone 14 Pro or my DJI Air 3 drone. The quality has been more than acceptable. My iPhone 14 came equipped with 3 lenses. Together they allow me to capture at least 3 perspectives of anything without even moving from where I'm standing. The ultra-wide angle has the widest perspective and it fits more into the frame. Objects off in the distance appear far away. This is a really good lens for establishing shots. The standard wide-angle lens is a little less wide, and it's great for situations where you're following action, but you're not sure where the action's going to go next. The telephoto lens brings objects in the distance closer by compressing the background and foreground and making it appear more like what we see with our own eyes. This can be used in many different ways. Standard smartphones come with only 2 lenses, an ultra-wide-angle lens and a wide-angle lens. This should suit you just fine, but you might have to move around and adjust your framing a bit to make it work for you. Just remember, great films have been made with less. When you're recording things that are moving fast, like sports, you want to film with a higher frame rate so you can capture all the action and see the movement. To adjust your frame rate and resolution, go to Settings on your iPhone. Select Camera. Then click on Record Video. Select the resolution and frame rate that you want to use. Higher frame rates can also help you slow down your footage. This slowed footage can also reduce camera shake. I always shoot my footage at 30 or 60 frames per second. That way I can slow the footage down if needed. Here's an example of footage that was shot at 30 frames per second. If I put this footage on a 24 frame per second timeline, that footage becomes a little dreamier, but still passes as natural. The higher the frame rate that your footage is shot at, the more you can slow it down with great results. You can get an even slower frame rate with slow-mo mode, but that will only record at 1080p resolution. Don't go anywhere yet, but please take a moment to like and subscribe this video, and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Let's talk about cameras that are high up. Not long ago, filmmakers used to use helicopters, cranes, and jib arms to achieve aerial shots with the camera moving. These shots were costly and were limited by the type of movement they could perform. These days, you can get a similar or better shot by purchasing a drone at a minimal cost. DJI offers several different types of drones that you can select from. Drones provide a unique vantage point that traditional land-based cameras just can't achieve. My DJI Air 3 has 2 camera lenses that come in very handy and capture beautiful perspectives. If you are planning on flying a drone, you'll have to register it and also get a license if it's over 250 grams. You're going to have to obey the rules of where, how, and what you're filming. But it's worth it. Be sure to check out the rules and regulations in your area before flying. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and check the bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Leave a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see. Take care. Check out this next video where I tell you about B-roll and how you can shoot it. Or check out some of my other videos.